Good morning, students. Continuation of the same chapter, trigonometry. In trigonometry, how many trigonometrical ratios are there? 6 trigonometrical ratios. What are they? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. What is sine A? Say loudly. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan A is opposite by adjacent, and cosec A is hypotenuse by opposite, sec is hypotenuse by adjacent, and cot A is adjacent by opposite. Second type question. Right. If tan A is equal to 4 by 3, then find sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. Understand? What is given here? Tan A. Anyway, you draw the figure. Here we can take A here. A, B, C. You can take A in the corner or here. What's the meaning? Tan A. Look here. What is tan A? Opposite to by, which is the opposite side of this angle A. If you take A here, this is the opposite side, 4, and the adjacent side. Opposite side and adjacent side given, therefore we can find hypotenuse square. What's the formula hypotenuse square? Opposite square plus adjacent square. That is 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16, 25. Therefore hypotenuse is equal to root 25 equal to 5. Right here, this is 5. Understand? Now, right, here in this question, we need sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A. What's the formula? Sin A and cos A. Sin A means opposite to by hypotenuse. Remember here this is A. Opposite is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. 4 by 5. And what is cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. Listen. Now repeat the question. What is your question? Sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. What is sin A? 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 by 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5. What is here the same LCM? 5, 4 plus 3, 7 by 5 by 4 minus 3, 1 by 5. Understand? That is 7 by 5 into 5 by 1. 5 cancel. What is the final answer? 7. Listen. 7 is the final answer. Now, write down the second question. If 5 tan A equal to 4, find 5 sin A minus 3 cos A the whole divided by 5 sin A plus 2 cos A. Now listen, what is 5 tan A equal to? That is given 4. Therefore tan A is equal to 4 by 5. Right now, tan A is equal to 4 by 5. Then can you say what is tan A is equal to? Look here. What is tan A? Tan A means opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, if you select here A, then opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 5. We need hypotenuse. What's the formula? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Therefore, hypotenuse is root of 4 square plus 5 square. You will get hypotenuse is equal to root 41. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 20. That is 41. Now keep that root 41 there. Then we need two terms. What are they? Sin A and cos A. What is sin A? Sin A means opposite to by hypotenuse. Then what is cos A? Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. Understand? Now substitute in the formula. Question. Substitute in the question. What is your question? Right. 5 into, what is sin A? 4 by 41 minus 3 into 5 by 41. 5 by 41, root 41 by 5 sin A. 5 into 4 by root 41 plus 2 into 5 by root 41. Okay, just substitute the values of sin A and cos A in the given question. Can you say what is 5 fours are? 20 by root 41 minus 3 5s are 15 by root 41 divided by 5 4s are 20 by root 41 plus 10 by root 41. Here we know that the numerator LCM is root 41. Therefore, what is the answer? 20 minus 15. What is 20 minus 15? 5 by root 41 and the denominator 20 plus 10. What is 20 plus 10? That is equal to 30. Therefore, 30 by root 41. Now, root 41 cancel. Then you will get 5 by 30 is equal to 1 by 6. What's the answer? 1 by 6. That's the first question. Now, write the next question. But next question. If 3 cot theta is equal to 2, write the next question. If 3 cot theta equal to 2, find 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta by 2 sin theta plus 6 cos theta. Here what is given? 3 cot theta is equal to 2. From that cot, this is the symbol theta. Put a 0, then like this. Theta equal to 2 by 3. Theta means one angle. Instead of A and B here, one angle is given theta. Therefore 2 by 3. Look here. What is cot A? Cot A is adjacent by opposite. In all the questions, first you draw the triangle, right triangle. And here, you can mark here theta. That is theta. Understand? You can mark theta here or here. Now, what's the formula? Cot means adjacent. We know that this is the adjacent side, 2. And this is the opposite side. Understand? Now, what's the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. 4 plus 9, 13. Therefore, this is equal to root 13. Root 13. Hypotenuse is equal to root 13. Now, find what is sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite to by root 13. That means 3 by root 13. And cos theta is equal to 2 by root 13. Now copy the question. Copy the question. Then write 4 into, what is sin theta? 3 by root 13 minus 3 into 2 by root 13 by 2 into, what is sin theta? 3 by root 13 plus 6 into cos theta is 2 by root 13. What is 4 3s are? 12 by root 13, right? 12 by root 13 minus 6 by root 13. The whole divided by 6 plus 6 by root 13, not 6 plus, 6 by root 13 plus 12 by root 13. Listen, substitute in the question. What is 12 minus 6? That is 6 by root 13 by, what is 12 plus 6? That is 18 by root 13. Root 13 cancel. then you will get 6 by 18. What is 6 by 18? That is equal to 1 by 6 by 18 is equal to 1 by 3. Write the next question. Write the next question. If 17 cos theta equal to 15. Now find tan theta plus 2 sec theta. Understand? 17 cos theta equal to 15 means what is cos theta equal to 15 by 17. Again, what is cos theta formula? Cos A is adjacent A by hypotenuse. Adjacent A means 15 and hypotenuse is 17. Then our aim is to find opposite side. What's the formula? Opposite side square, hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. Therefore, 289 minus 225 gives 64. Root 64 is 8. Opposite side is 8. Then what's the question? Here the question is find tan theta plus 2 sec theta. Then copy the question. Tan theta means opposite to by adjacent. 8 by 15. Understand? Sec theta. Look there. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. 17 by 15. When you substitute 18 by 15 plus 2 into 17 by 15. That is 17 into 2. Say the answer. 17 2s are 34 plus 8. That is 42 by 15. Cancelling, you will get 14 by 5. Convert into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 4. 4 by 5. What's the final answer? 2 and 4 by 5. Next question. Write the next question. If 5 cos theta equal to 3. Right? 5 cos theta is equal to 3. Find cosec theta minus cot theta by cosec theta minus cot theta by cosec theta plus cot theta. Listen. Now, what is given? 5 cos theta means cos theta equal to 3 by 5. Draw the figure. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Look here. What's the first step? First one marking is here. 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9 is 16. Root 16 is 4. Listen. Now right here the step. Now cosec theta we need. What is the formula? Cosec theta. Look there. Cosec means hypotenuse by opposite. That is 5 by 4. Then what is sec theta? Sec theta means hypotenuse by adjacent. 5 by 3. Now copy this. Cosec theta. Copy this one. Then substitute. 5 by 4 minus 5 by 3 by 5 by 4 plus 5 by 3. LCM is 4 3s are 12. Cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15. Minus 5 4s are 20. Divided by 5 3s are 15 plus 5 4s are by 12. From both the denominator 12 12 cancel. Isn't it? What's the answer? 15 minus 20 is minus 5 by 15 plus 35. After cancelling, you will get minus 1 by 7. Listen. All of you do the questions from your exercise. These are the main problems from that exercise. Study the problems relating this. Okay. Bye.